Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I want to show you how much it is raining at our home. So just look at this. It's raining very heavily guys, as you can hear the sound also. This is from my window. I will show it to you even more clearly. Just wait guys. Yeah.
2,000 years later.
Guys, so now we are going up on our terrace. So now you look at the view, how it will be. Oh my god! What is this? Just watch this! Oh my god! Look at this terrace. This one's looking like a Tufan is coming. Seems like Tufan is coming today. Oh my god! Did you just hear that sound?
No.
Yeah guys, just see this. The rain has started suddenly guys. I don't know how it has started, but I think it's gonna rain today. Heavily. Oh my god, the terrace is completely filled with rainwater. And look at that coconut tree guys. Just look at that coconut tree. It looks like it's gonna fall. Oh my god. I have never seen this much big rain. Oh, but the view also looks very cool. Here it's raining more heavily than our side. See the difference. This is our side. This is another side. Oh my god. Just look at this. It looks like zombie apocalypse. No. It's not that one. It looks like everything is destroyed. Everything is filled with snow, it looks like, but it's actually completely rain. Yeah.
What?